जी बिल्कुल। बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। आज की इस नशिस्त के लिए, इस लेक्चर के लिए मैं ख़ास तौर पे बच्चों से मुखातिब हूँ। माई एड्रेसेस आर द किड्स हु आर प्रेजेंट इन दिस लेक्चर। जस्ट टू स्टार्ट, मैं थोड़ा सा आपको बताना चाहूँगा कि आज का जो सेशन है, वी विल ट्राई टू कीप इट इंटरएक्टिव. I will rather encourage that you should be asking question when it is absolutely necessary. अगर आप समझें कि आपको बात करनी है तो you are at liberty to talk and ask the question. Next, please. आज का जो टॉपिक है ये बड़ा मुश्किल सा टॉपिक है कि ऑब्जर्व टू सर्व. ऑब्जर्व टू सर्व. Anybody who can understand this topic, उसे इसे ऑब्जर्व करना है. वी विल बी डिस्कसिंग दिस टॉपिक टाइम एंड अगेन, बट स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट इज दैट वी मस्ट ऑब्जर्व टू सर्व. टू सर्व टू whom? On self, the society, nation, religion, or anything else. But we need to learn how to observe to serve. Next, please. My name is Naveed Zafar, or I am an aeronautical engineer. So I have put my picture also and the picture of the aircraft also. I have served about 30 years to this industry, जिसमें ना सिर्फ aircraft designing से we started, we have been maintaining it, overhauling it to the limit. And in my life, I have many things to share with you, especially the younger lot. And there are very interesting things which are associated with my career, with my life. And I thought that I should be sharing all my experience with you people. Because I know that आजकल जो बच्चे हैं, they are very talented, very smart kids. But it is not good to be smart only. You have to perform in a very particular manner, ताकि your work, your performance, your conduct, that should indicate at how smart you are, not somebody telling you or from the school. Your performance and conduct must tell us that how smart you are. So I have very special things to you. Probably आपने ये books में नहीं पढ़ी होंगी, but as it is not going to come in any exam, so just relax and just listen to my story. It is a very interesting story. So I am not important that what I did. It is more important for us that what you, जो आजकल के बच्चे हैं, how they are going to perform in future, because you are our future. हम इस चीज को सामने रखते हुए आज की बातचीत को थोड़ा सा आगे बढ़ाएंगे. नेक्स्ट प्लीज. नेक्स्ट जी. आई नो फ्यू ट्रिक्स, और ये वो ट्रिक्स हैं विच हैज मेड माई लाइफ वेरी सिंपल. आई वुड लाइक कि आप लोग भी ये ट्रिक्स सीखें, और ये ऐसे ट्रिक्स हैं, दे विल मेक यू वेरी वेरी डिफरेंट. दे आर वेरी स्मॉल ट्रिक्स, लेकिन ये ट्रिक्स इस तरह के हैं कि विच विल गिव यू द एडवांटेज. सो इस चीज को सामने रखते हुए we will just learn few tricks from each other. Very simple tricks, but very powerful tricks. So it is just like a magic. कि छोटे छोटे tricks हैं, but that will make your life very pleasant, very joyful, and your learning that will become fun for you people. Next, please. Like I know a trick to record my sound on a piece of paper. कि आप पेपर के ऊपर अपनी साउंड को रिकॉर्ड कर सकते. दिस इज अ वेरी सिंपल ट्रिक, और इंशाल्लाह बाय द एंड ऑफ दिस लेक्चर we will know how to do it. Imagine that you can write You can record your sound on the piece of paper. तो ये ट्रिक अगर आपको पता चल जाए तो दैट यू कैन, आप कोई भी चीज वेन एवर यू वॉन्ट टू रिकॉर्ड समथिंग, तो पीस ऑफ पेपर इज ऑलवेज देयर, पेन और पेंसिल इज विद यू ऑलवेज, एंड यू कैन रिकॉर्ड द इंफॉर्मेशन साउंड की सूरत में. और ये ऐसी साउंड है कि आप पास्ट की साउंड्स भी पढ़ सकते हैं, सुन सकते हैं. बट यू मस्ट नो हाउ टू रिकॉर्ड दिस. दिस इज अ स्मॉल ट्रिक, बट दिस इज अ वेरी पावरफुल ट्रिक, कि आप साउंड को रिकॉर्ड कर लें. और जब आप थोड़े से मास्टर हो जाएंगे, बेहतर हो जाएंगे, तो आप पिक्चर्स को भी रिकॉर्ड कर सकें. एंड दिस इज अ वेरी पावरफुल, आपके पास एक मैकेनिज्म हो जाएगा कि आप किसी भी चीज को रिकॉर्ड करना चाहें, आपके पास अगर मोबाइल नहीं भी है, इवन देन आप अपनी साउंड को रिकॉर्ड कर सकें. इट्स अ स्मॉल ट्रिक. नेक्स्ट प्लीज. In this picture, we have 3 people or 4 people. You have to observe कि कितने लोग हैं यहाँ पे, 4 हैं, 3 हैं, and how these people are different. एक जैसे कौन से हैं और जो मुख्तलिफ हैं वो कौन से हैं. तो आपने अगर इसे नोट करें तो ये बड़ी सिंपल सी एक तस्वीर है, and you need to observe this picture. तो आपको बहुत सारी चीजें इस पिक्चर को ऑब्जर्व करने से पता चलेंगी. लाइक एक जो पहले वाला आदमी है, उसके हाथ में कुछ नहीं है, बट जो उसके साथ 2 हैं, दे आर कैरिंग सम टूल्स विद देम. व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस? आपके ख्याल में इनमें से ज्यादा पावरफुल कौन है? द वन हु इज नॉट हैविंग एनीथिंग, और दी वन जिसके हाथ में नेजा है या जिसके हाथ में डंडा है? आपके ख्याल में सबसे पावरफुल कौन सा है इसमें? Anyone would like to answer this question? अभी सबके पास they have something. Why we think that they have different power? ज्यादा पावरफुल कौन सा है, कम पावरफुल कौन सा, बता सकेंगे आप? कैन वी हैव अ ऑडियो विद देम? मतलब कोई बातचीत हो सकती है हमारी होस्ट से? मेरा क्वेश्चन है ये वाला. Am I audible? Can somebody confirm please?
Yes, we can hear you.
जी. इसमें कौन सा है जो बंदा ज्यादा पावरफुल है, एंड व्हाई डू यू थिंक दैट? Anybody? We know there are people, one is more powerful than other. Why we say and why we think that? Hello?
I think I have an answer.
Yes, please. Say that.
That they're more powerful than the other because of what they have. Because,
Okay.
like, one of them has a year or a club, while the other has nothing. Sort of like wealth.
Yes. So that means that if you have something, it can make you powerful or less powerful. And if you don't have something, can you acquire something which you need and which can make you powerful? हम ऐसा कर सकते हैं ना कि if you don't have something, we can acquire that thing so that we can be more powerful. Okay, in this picture we have another one vehicle also available, and a person is carrying load in that. So a same type of person, but it has got lot of power by virtue of having a machine. First, the people were having the tools, and now somebody has a machine which has made him more powerful than others. So we can also see that there are two types of people, the primitive people and the modern person. Is it so? I need some response from you people, kindly.
Yes.
Yes.
So what tells you? How did you find that there is a difference? What made you think that they are different?
By observing them. Like if you look closely and even to the naked eye, you can see that by their clothes and their things that they're holding, they're primitive people. And if you look at the other picture with the man, you can see that he's using a modern machine.
Okay. What you have found is that by virtue of finding some difference, you can say that these are from the different time eras. Is it so? So what is common? What is common between them? There is certain thing which is common. We have talked of the difference. Now we have to find what is common between them. What are the commonalities?
That they are all humans.
Okay. What else?
They are wearing the same type of clothes.
Okay. That is a good observation. What else?
That they all have tools, some kind of tools.
Okay. What is common between humans? We all know that humans have certain things in common. What are those things?
And body parts.
Okay.
Their hair.
Okay. Is there anything common between humans and animals?
Yes.
Like,
That they all need food. They
okay,
have their all have some kind of needs,
okay,
and that all are made by God.
okay, that is good. What else? We share the same planet, is it so?
Yes.
Yes.
And what is the difference between animals and humans?
Our intellect.
What else?
Living
Our
conditions
behavior.
and yes, behavior.
Okay. What else?
Of the way we interact with others socially.
Okay, that is very nice answer. What else?
Religion.
Very good point. I like it. What else?
Continuous evolution.
That is again a very good point. Very intelligent point, I must say.
The difference in how animals and humans think and see.
Very nice answer.
Our perspectives.
Okay, that is good. There are some major differences between animals and humans. जैसे जो animals हैं, they cannot store their information in a notebook, or they can't learn from the experience of each other. They cannot learn new languages. They have limited usage of tools. They can't use tools. They can't make that sophisticated kind of machines. There are many differences. Okay, we come back because we will be discussing such topics very frequently. दूसरा मुझे काइंडली ये बताइए कि जो दो ह्यूमंस हैं एक ही तरह के हैं, दे आर siblings of a same parents, के बहन भाई हैं एक ही तरह के हैं. What is the difference between them? They both are not the same. There is some difference. There are certain twins also, born at the same date and same time, but they are not the same. What makes them different? वो क्यों फर्क होता है उनमें?
Their knowledge.
Knowledge, they can be the class fellow, same type of scholar. You agree on this point that they are not the same. They still are, they are having many things common. Even they have the common families, they have the common parents, they have the common knowledge, even they can have the same features. But still they are not the same, they are different.
Their nature.
Everybody has his own personality.
Okay, that is very nice answer. What else?
Their attire or how they live, I guess.
Okay, that is a good point. What else?
Their likes and dislikes.
Yes, that is a very good point. My point is not to indicate what are the exact differences. Our aim of this discussion is to understand we are different and we must have our own personality. We must have our own strength. We must develop ourselves and we should come out in certain matters as an individual, a unique personality. जिस तरह अल्लाह ताला यूनिक है ना, इसी तरह अल्लाह ताला की बनाई हुई हर चीज यूनिक है. Every second which is passing is unique. It is not going to be repeated ever again in life. ऐसा ही है ना? It is not going to be the same. It has to be different. So we must value, we must understand that this is a very unique opportunity which every second is providing us. And we have to capitalize, we have to get maximum out of that time. उस टाइम में हमें सबसे ज्यादा गेन करना है. So we cannot afford to waste or lose any time, any opportunity. ठीक है ना? Every opportunity can be used to acquire something, to become powerful. It can be knowledge also. You can equip yourself with the knowledge. You can acquire knowledge. You can make use of the opportunity. You can, if you cannot get anything, at least you can get some experience also. तो powerful बंदा वो होता है, observable जो बंदा होता है, it becomes very powerful. It can grab the opportunity, grab the experience, और उसको फिर आप translate कर सकते हैं future के लिए. तो point is that you must learn as much through observing. Observation is a very good tool which is available to us. And we have to learn how to master the observation. क्योंकि दुनिया में जितनी तरक्की हुई है ना, ये सारी की सारी ऑब्जर्वेशन के बेस के ऊपर हुई है. ये जो कुछ हम बुक्स में पढ़ते हैं, this was once upon a time observation of someone. He was able to record his observation, and when you study in a school, so you understand the observation of others. But Allah has given us the opportunity also. We can also observe something which has never been done earlier. इसे research कहते हैं. कि the people who are the researchers, they have only one strong point. They can observe anything to any limit. And they can find कि इन दो चीजों के दरमियान relationship क्या है. So observation is the biggest tool which you need to develop as soon as possible. So this particular lecture is an attempt to make you understand how to observe and what is the importance of observation. ठीक हो गया? We move forward. Next, please. Now, in my career, in my service, in my profession, I was able to develop 3 secret machines. And it has given me a lot of edge over others. So I want कि आप लोग भी ये तीनों मशीनों के बारे में जानें Today we will be slightly discussing one. लेकिन इन तीनों machines में observation is the common factor. Like I developed a machine जिसमें material can be translated into sound. Material से material बनाया जा सकता है. आप टेस्ट को साउंड में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. आप टेक्स्ट को पिक्चर में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. आप साउंड को मटेरियल में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. यू कैन डू वंडर्स इफ यू कैन डेवलप दैट मशीन. लेकिन प्रॉब्लम यह है कि इट इज अ वेरी वेरी एक्सपेंसिव मशीन, वेरी एक्सपेंसिव, एंड इट इज नॉट अवेलेबल इन द मार्केट ऑल्सो. तो जब कोई चीज एक्सपेंसिव हो और मिल ना रही हो तो क्या करना चाहिए? देयर इज ऑलवेज अ वे आउट. क्या करना चाहिए आपके ख्याल में?
Make it.
Make it. Zabardast. Very nice answer. So if you don't have it, don't waste time, because we cannot afford to waste time. ये हम पहले बात कर चुके हैं. We cannot afford to waste time. We need to develop one. And we all have the abilities, क्योंकि we are very unique in the universe. We all have the ability that we can develop one. So हमारी ये जो सीरीज है, we will find how to develop such kind of machine. उसकी डेवलपमेंट का क्या प्रोसीजर होगा और उसका एडवांटेज क्या होगा, व्हाट एडवांटेज. लेकिन कोई काम करने से पहले इट इज ऑलवेज इंपॉर्टेंट कि आप वो चीजों को पहले अंडरस्टैंड करें. यू अंडरस्टैंड कि व्हाई यू आर डूइंग दिस. तो मैंने जो यहां से स्टार्ट लिया, दैट वाज वेरी सिंपल, कि वी नीड टू लर्न हाउ टू ऑब्जर्व. अभी यहां पे मेरा एक क्वेश्चन है. वी स्टार्टेड ऑफ दिस प्रेजेंटेशन, किस तरीके से स्टार्ट किया था मैंने? डिड यू ऑब्जर्व दैट? व्हाट वाज इट?
You introduced yourself.
Any other guess on this? Because if had you observed, आपको एग्जैक्ट पता होता है कि मैंने पहली बात क्या की. Okay, what was the color of the first slide?
It was white with Bismillah written on it with green.
Okay, very nice. And what was the second slide?
A big
Observe to serve.
And how many colors I had used in that?
2.
कौन कौन से थे वो?
White and black.
What else? Okay, can we go to the second slide? जा सकते हैं. Avas, can we go to the second slide? इससे पहले वाली, इससे पहले वाली, ये. How many colors are there? वापस.
white, black, and red.
So we missed one. And anything else you जो कि peculiar है इस पिक्चर के अंदर आपके सामने अभी तो?
Would be a small where it's supposed to be capital.
Okay, that is good. What else?
The logo in the top left corner.
That is good observation. What else? It is right in front of you. You have to tell me a very intelligent observation.
Okay.
ये सबके लिए.
In observe, there's a serve and observe to serve and serve.
Very nice observation. Well done. Shabash. So there can be many things which can be seen. Can you see different shapes over here?
There's a triangle and a circle.
Yes. Or if we make can we make more triangles in the square?
Yes.
Yes.
How many?
Yes.
2.
And can we make a triangle inside a circle also?
Yes.
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 Who told you that it is circle? How did you come to know it is a circle? I have never told you.
By observing it.
A person or some student who has never seen a circle in life, how will he explain this? Okay.
I think that
Okay.
person will inquire.
Okay, I ask you another question. Can you define a circle in your own language?
A circle is a shape without any corners.
That is one way, and there can be many shapes without any corner.
Shape that is infinite, and it's described in a sense. I actually forgot the.
No, I don't want you to remember or recall your definition. I just want that you explain it. You define it yourself by looking at it.
It's a round shape
Infinite shape.
without.
So you have to define the round, not the shape. It is a difficult thing, not a simple thing for anyone. That is the reason we have to memorize the definitions. But if anybody who can define it, he's a genius. So learn to define things in your own words whenever you find time. Okay, we move forward. आगे चलिए जी. जहां से हम आखिरी जो आगे. हाँ. So it is very expensive, not available. We have to develop one of the machine, and I will just help you in making certain steps that how can we do that. Next, please. Next, कीजिए. I had developed this machine, and after पीछे कीजिए पीछे. वैसे पीछे. Through this machine, I have developed this aircraft. If you can see on the tail, there is a Pakistani flag. It is an aircraft which has been made by such machines, and it is flying now in Pakistan. Next, please. So if you can develop these kind of machines, you can make wonders. Next, कीजिए. अवैस नेक्स्ट कीजिए. अवैस नेक्स्ट कीजिए. काइंडली नेक्स्ट कीजिए. Now this is flying. So if we have these kind of machines, we can do wonders as a Pakistani. Next, please. तो machine बनाने के लिए we have to make 3 steps. We have to undergo 3 steps. एक ये कि it is always expensive to make new machines. So we can make use of one machine which is normally available with us. We convert that available machine into a new machine, and then we make use of that machine to make another machines. So pehle we must learn how to use our available machines. Second step है कि उस machine को हमने convert करना होगा into a very productive new machine जिसका मैं जिक्र कर रहा हूँ. And then we will be making use of that machine to make new machines. ठीक है ना? So we have to follow 3 steps. So we today have started a process that we will be making use of the old machine जो कि हमारे पास अभी है, और उसको इस्तेमाल करने के लिए पहला स्टेप है कि we must learn how to observe so we can serve ourselves. Next, please. Avas, next, please. Can we have the next slide, please? Can we have the next slide, please? अवैस नेक्स्ट स्लाइड जा सकते हैं हम? We are not having the picture kindly. Please
Sorry,
have
sir,
the
थोड़ा
next.
सा इंटरनेट इशू है.
अच्छा, आप रिस्पॉन्स काइंडली कर दिया करें ना ताकि पता चल जाए. मीनवाइल अभी तक जो हम काम कर रहे हैं या जितना हमने लेक्चर लिया है, डू यू हैव एनी ऑब्जर्वेशन? आई जस्ट वांट टू नो फ्रॉम द पार्टिसिपेंट्स.
Yes.
Is it adding to your knowledge which you already have? Are you getting some new perspective?
Absolutely.
Okay, let's see if we can have the next slide, please. Okay, I have one picture. और मेरी आपसे रिक्वायरमेंट ये है कि यू हैव टू सी दिस पिक्चर इन उर्दू, not in English. Can you see it in Urdu?
Excuse me, sir. What do you mean if we see it in Urdu?
You have to make use of Urdu language. Can you see it from the, because every language gives you different perspective. Like in French, if you say il fait beau, that it is very pleasant weather. So they will not like that cloudy weather is a good weather. They will say that sunny weather is a good weather. Are you getting the theme of it?
Ji.
Yes, sir.
So can you see it in Urdu?
Ji.
So
Yes,
can
sir.
you define in Urdu?
एक
What is it?
हाथी है, पहाड़ है, दरख्त है, शेर है, तोता है.
इधर बहुत सारे जंगली जानवर हैं, दरिया है, ओशन है,
समंदर,
है,
खेते हैं.
भी बहुत अच्छा है.
Very nice, very nice.
सूरज है,
Okay, what else?
बादल है,
बारिश हो रही है हल्की हल्की.
Very nice.
स्नो
परिंदे हैं,
हो रही है पहाड़ों पे.
Very nice. Excellent. Now, can you see is in arithmetic the same picture?
Sir, क्या मतलब?
What do you mean, sir?
Can you see the picture in numbers?
In a sense, yes.
Okay,
Yes.
let's hear from you.
Okay.
बहुत सारे जानवर हैं, 6 परिंदे हैं, एक पहाड़ है और 1 2 3 4 से 5 दरख्त हैं.
What else?
बहुत सारे जानवर हैं,
एक दरिया है, नहीं 2 एक
इधर बहुत सारे पत्थर हैं बड़े बड़े.
एक समंदर है.
Okay, one question I will ask you. Can you find out, is it anything which is man-made? कोई ऐसी चीज है इस पूरी पेंटिंग ऐसे पिक्चर में which has been made by the humans?
No. वैसे जी.
What is
guess.
that? Okay, let's hear that.
जो पीछे खेते हैं, वहां पर
What?
जैसे उन्होंने फसल है.
So can we say it is a natural world?
Yes.
Yes.
In real world, do we have a man-made world also?
It's a
Yes.
mix of, in a sense.
Yeah, mixture. It's a mixture.
Mixture.
Because the land we live on was once all natural, but now it's becoming artificial in a sense.
Okay, can you see something which is not visible here?
सर लोग
It exists, but it is not visible. Can you see something?
Yeah.
Stars.
What is that?
सर ये
It
सारी चीजें
exists, but
अल्लाह
it's
ताला को बनाई है,
not.
लेकिन अल्लाह ताला को देख नहीं सकते.
Very nice. और कुछ चीज. Can we see temperature?
No.
Can we see oxygen?
No.
Air.
No.
No.
Can we guess what time of the day is?
I guess it's noon.
Can we see
Subah.
some? Can we see some cycles? That water is evaporating, becoming cloud, cloud becoming rain, rain becoming water. Can we see some cycles?
No.
Yes, yes.
Yes,
I mean, you can see
I mean, you
raining.
can पहाड़ से जो बर्फ पड़ रही है वो पिघल रही है और फिर पानी बन के यहाँ दरिया में आ रही है. दरिया से समंदर में जा रही है. समंदर से जो सूरज है वो एवेपोरेट करेगा इस पानी को, फिर वो गैस बनेगी, फिर वो कंडेंस होगी और फिर दोबारा वो सारा शुरू हो जाएगा बारिश से.
How do we know this? Is it a guesswork or this is our observation? This is our experience or we have read the experience of others?
Observation and experience of others.
Can you see some relations over here? That these two things are related, like melting of ice and the sun shining.
Sir, can I tell one thing?
Yes, please.
सर इसके पीछे के खालिक को हम देख सकते हैं और इलामा इकबाल ने खालिक के बारे में कहा है कि हुस्न बेपरवाह को अपनी बेनकाबी के लिए हो अगर शहरों से बन प्यारे तो शहर अच्छे के बन.
Very nice. Excellent. Excellent. Simply excellent. Okay. Point is here, what is the common factor in this picture? If we have to find what is one common factor, what is that?
धूप की वजह से पानी पहाड़ों से पिघल के आ रहा है.
कॉमन फैक्टर बेटा ये होता है कि जो सबके लिए एक ही चीज है विच इज मेकिंग इट हैपन एवरीथिंग.
Allah.
Allah, very nice. Because as a Muslim we understand there is a one entity, we call it Allah Ta'ala, जिन्होंने ना ये सारी चीजें बनाई बल्कि ये पूरा सिस्टम चला भी रहा है. It is not only made, it is also in action also. ठीक है ना? Can we see certain states? State सॉलिड हैं जी. कौन कौन सी हैं?
हमारे पास जो पहले बर्फ होगी वो सॉलिड है, फिर यहाँ जो समंदर है वो पानी है. यहाँ देखिए अगर एक जगह एक स्टेट है कि यहाँ धूप पड़ रही है, एक जगह ये स्टेट है कि यहाँ बारिश हो रही है.
Okay, let's imagine something. There are no trees at all. What will happen?
There will be no oxygen.
What's it?
Okay.
Then because there will be no oxygen, the जो यहाँ जानवर है वो नहीं जिंदा रहेंगे.
Soil erosion, deforestation.
Okay. What else? Okay, let's say there is no sun at all. What will happen?
कोई
There will be
रोशनी
no light.
Life
कोई सारे दरख्त मर जाएंगे और
will freeze, and without the sun, life wouldn't even be
And
possible.
life will be not exist.
Okay, let's imagine there is no water.
Then the trees would not get the water.
So from this
And we cannot
discussion,
even survive.
we can find this factor that everything is dependent upon another thing. Is it so?
Yes.
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 Okay. If everything is dependent, let's say that we do something, and by virtue of that, another thing suffers. Will it be a good thing or bad thing?
Bad thing.
Bad thing.
Obviously.
So anything which damages other thing is a bad thing. Is it so?
Yes. Yes.
So we should act responsibly. Is it so?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is that subject? If let's say that you are a town planner, आपने एक city बनाना है. What will be your consideration? आप क्या करेंगे इस जगह पे? This land is available to you. How you will plan to make one city over here?
लोगों की convenient
What will be the consideration?
लोगों के लिए
जी बिल्कुल.
I think eco-green planning, because as you can see in the picture, this land
ये housing सारी
and hosts many living things. So eco-planning.
So for living, what is the most important thing? The person for whom वो लोग होंगे ना जिनके लिए आप सिटी बना रहे हैं, उनके लिए जो environment है वो important होगा. So first of all, if more people will come in, you should plant more trees. You should plant more trees.
More oxygen.
And you should try not to disturb nature, or minimum disturbance nature को होनी चाहिए. Is it so?
Yes.
Yes.
Now,
so there
what
should be reservoirs.
What kind of people we will require to make one town यहाँ पे बनाने के लिए? किस तरह के लोग चाहिए होंगे?
Hardworking people.
जो बंदे they follow the rules.
Like you will require some engineers. You will require some engineers, some experts,
And builders.
Builders. You will require some material also.
Construction.
Yes.
And also we will need providers to provide
Yes.
the thing.
Vendors.
Contractors.
And what is the mechanism we have from where these people come? ये कहाँ से जो experts कहाँ पे? How do we prepare those people who can be useful for us?
From giving them knowledge about the thing you want them to do.
ये स्कूल से आते हैं या खुद ट्रेन होते हैं, कैसे होते हैं?
स्कूल से आते हैं, कॉलेज से आते हैं, obviously सारा knowledge लेकर आते हैं.
I mean, they should be at least have a.
Okay, if you have to make a choice now, right now, what kind of role you would like to perform in the future? Would you like to be a builder? You will be a botanist? You will be a scientist? You will be someone. What you would like to know? Do you know that what you can be?
Yes.
Okay, let's hear from you what you want to be.
Interior designer.
I want to be pilot.
Okay, what else?
A marine biologist.
Okay, what else? Can a same person can be many things, many roles. Like he can be a very good writer, he can be a photographer also. So should one restrict oneself to only one subject, or he should have learning more subjects?
Learning more subjects.
He should have a growth mindset to be able to learn.
Okay, that is very nice. What is that subject, एक subject, which one must know irrespective के वो कौन सा subject पढ़ना चाहता है?
What is that
one subject वो कौन सा है जिसमें वो अगर master हो जाए तो he can learn anything.
I think psychology maybe.
सर अपनी जात का सब्जेक्ट.
Good one. Or what else?
observing observing
Language.
Yes,
उसका observing का subject पता चल जाए तो सब
that is
बहुत easy
absolutely fine. What else?
Language.
Very nice. Excellent answer. Communication skill one should know. Is it so?
Yes.
Because
Yes, sir.
you
yes
can read books,
हाँ,
you can talk to people, you can understand others' point of view, you can understand regulations also, different things. So one should be master in communication.
Everything.
And do you know that there are many kinds of communications? Do you know that?
yes
sir.
yes yes yes.
Yes. Yes.
Do you know that you can communicate without talking? Without
body
usage of...
language.
Sir.
Your hands back.
Yes, sir.
How a newborn baby communicates with mother?
Crying
By
and
crying.
babbling and babbling.
And mother doesn't do this thing. This is one way from the kid, from the newborn. How does mother communicate with the newborn?
By
Does she
creating
or she doesn't?
He just helps her baby.
in a way
It
she
is-
does.
Have you ever observed it?
Yes.
Oh,
It is language of feeling. She understands the language of feeling and can communicate through feeling. So feeling is a very, very important language of communication. Okay? And there is one more subject also that is not that important, but it is very, very important, common to all. What is that?
Um,
That is mathematics. Do you know mathematics is a language? Do you know that? A very different kind of language. You can communicate in mathematics. Do you know it? We will have a special lecture on mathematics, that how it can be used to communicate. Because mathematics is a universal language. A Chinese can talk to a person in England through mathematics without talking to each other, without understanding to each other. Next, please. Okay. I have this last picture for today's session. And I would like you to observe and come out with very intelligent answers. What can you see? You have to describe it.
the life cycle of a person.
Okay, intelligent
Process
answer. What?
how a person, I don't know.
It's showing how a person from level 1 gets start getting experience and more knowledge and goes on and on.
Keep trying. You are giving excellent answer. No answer is wrong. But
How a
let's see
person
it so much.
evolves throughout life.
Is there a peak time in his life?
Yes.
And what is that?
Or when he's wearing a tie and suit.
when he's doing his work and getting experience.
If I ask
That's-
you that physically, when he is the strongest, physically,
Well,
When-
when he's wearing that,
Suit with the tie,
No.
the red tie.
honestly, I think before that. The guy with
intellectually,
Sir,
intellectual,
when he's accepting
intellectual,
the,
okay, intellectually सबसे ज़्यादा strong कब है वो?
When he's old.
when he's like,
और energy wise सबसे strong कब है वो?
when he's a kid.
He has more energy.
Yeah, usually when you're young, you're way more active than when you start growing up.
If I say that when you lose physical energy, you gain intellectual energy, will it be right to say or not?
well, it's a
Is it so?
It's not obligatory कि जब आप तब भी हो जब आपकी फिजिकल एनर्जी कम हो. आप वैसे भी अगर आप यहाँ अगर आप एक में 30s में आ गए हो तो फिर तब आपकी फिजिकल स्ट्रेंथ है and you can intellectually gain strength by more.
What made you think it is the life cycle of a same person? How did you find that? They could have been a
Because
different people at different time. How did you guess that? And what made you think that it is a life cycle of a same person?
well, because
Because
see how their
the faces.
face, yeah.
Do you see a change in the fashion? Old people fashion up differently. So if you have to be a dress designer, to what age you are going to target? What will be your thinking? आपने किसको target करना होगा?
And
बच्चों के ड्रेस डिजाइनर बनेंगे या बड़ों के बनेंगे?
बड़ों के
बड़ों का obviously because they have more experience.
But they don't like to change very often the dresses.
I mean, depends बंदा कैसा है. वो छोड़ते हैं जो.
चले ठीक है. Okay, that was all what I had to say. मेरा सिर्फ आज क्वेश्चन ये था कि you must start thinking and you are mashallah a very smart kid. You can understand that we can view the things from a different angles. But in coming days we will try to see कि different जो subjects पढ़े जाते हैं वो क्यों पढ़े जाते हैं और उन सारे subjects में common चीज क्या है. ठीक है ना? ये जो आपने last picture देखी है, can you see a phenomena of change?
Yes.
Can we see something is changing?
Yes.
जो हमने इससे पहले पिक्चर देखी थी उसमें भी फिनोमेना चेंज हो रहे थे कि डे लाइट थी, शाम होती है, सुबह होती है. They are also changing. Is it so?
Yes.
इसमें वो एज एक्सपीरियंस एंड नॉलेज का दिखा रहे हैं. मुझे तो लगता है कि तीन मेन जो इसमें एज एक्सपीरियंस एंड नॉलेज.
बिल्कुल ठीक है बेटा, जबरदस्त, very nice. So now if you have any specific question we can answer and we can address those. Because the session was from 4 to 5 and now it is 5. If you have any questions, please do ask. जी जी.
ये जो आप हमें बता रहे थे कि मैथमेटिक्स इज अ यूनिवर्सल लैंग्वेज. हाउ?
बेटा इसके ऊपर we will have a session पूरा ना, एक proper mathematics का ना, and we will find कि what is the language and why it is difficult to learn that language. It is very not easy because it is not difficult but it is different. और क्योंकि we don't know what type of language is it, so we find it difficult. ठीक है ना? तो एक we will have a session of 1 hour to understand what is mathematics and why it is called as a language and why we need to learn that. उसकी कई branches हैं ना, तो हम we will learn that.
Sir?
एंड सर आप ये बता रहे थे बोथ के ऑब्जर्वेशन का, तो do you have any points to how to increase your skills in observing and observation?
Yes, we have to understand the mechanics of observation. What all happens in our mind, वो क्या होता है. अभी तो हमने, क्योंकि ये लेक्चर्स है ना काफी सारे, आज हमने सिर्फ स्टार्ट लिया है कि स्टार्टिंग you have to learn the entry point is observation. If you can observe things, what you have to observe, how you have to observe, when you have to observe, how does sensor observe. क्योंकि फ्यूचर में आ रही हैं अभी जो ना इंटरनेट ऑफ थिंग्स, तो आपने चीजें नहीं ऑब्जर्व करनी बल्कि सेंसर ने चीजें ऑब्जर्व करनी. जैसे अभी जब आप फिंगरप्रिंट्स आपने करते हैं, कैप्चर करते हैं, तो मशीन ऑब्जर्व्स योर फिंगरप्रिंट्स एंड कंफर्म दैट यू आर द सेम पर्सन. तो वी विल लर्न द यूजेज ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन. आज हमने सिर्फ ये कहा कि ऑब्जर्वेशन इज एन इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग and we must pay attention to increasing our power towards observation. अच्छा, एक मेरा last question है before we can conclude. Did you see the picture? Did you look at the picture? Did you watch the picture? Did you, आपने क्या किया था? खाली देखा था उसको? क्या फर्क होता है? What is the best way to look at the things? ये look होता है, see होता है, watch होता है, काफी सारे words हैं ना इंग्लिश में. Can you arrange them in a fashion कि सबसे कम जो देखना होता है वो क्या होता है और सबसे ज्यादा देखना क्या होता है?
सबसे कम ऐसे ही देखना और कहना कि ये एक फोटो है, और सबसे ज्यादा कि आप समझो उसको कि ये क्या है, क्या दिखा रहे हैं, and then you observe it, then you understand कि ये क्या दिखा रहे हैं.
तो जो आप इंग्लिश में अगर आप देखें, we always have a synonymous words. Synonymous are likely words but not the same words. So if you want to improve your observation, you must know what word to use for what reason. That will improve your communication skill as well and understanding also toward the subject. There is one topic, all those who are more interested to know about the subject, उसे semantic gradients कहते हैं. इंग्लिश में ये कॉन्सेप्ट है, यू सी कि कितनी डेप्थ से आपने किसी सब्जेक्ट को देखना है. तो सिमेंटिक जो है ना, वो ग्रेडियंट के साथ ट्राई टू अरेंज फ्यू वर्ड्स और उसमें कैसे उसे डेवलप करना है. एंड दिस इज अ वेरी गुड स्टडी अगर आपने अपनी ऑब्जर्वेशन और नॉलेज और कम्युनिकेशन स्किल को बढ़ाना हो. Any other question from anyone?
No.
Sir?
जी.
Does this relate to Kalamic Ball, or is this just for us?
Yes, definitely it will. Because whatever Allama Iqbal wrote, or whenever a poet writes something, it is his observation about things about life, and then वो translate कर देता है into poetry के अंदर, in a poem और poetry के अंदर. तो ये क्योंकि हम अभी बेसिक समझने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि origin क्या है हर चीज का. So you will find that a common factor to all things is observation. You start observing, and then you will learn self अपने बारे में. Because we don't know much about the self. We know many things about the universe, but our own self we have very less observation. So what Allama Iqbal did, that he drew our attention towards self. You should observe self also, that how do you operate? How do you learn? What you need to learn? What you want to achieve, you should be achieving. तो ये फिर सक्सेस के साथ भी वी विल मेक एवरीथिंग इंक्लूडेड इन दिस, बट इट विल गो स्टेप वाइज, बिकॉज इफ यू गो वेरी क्विकली देन इट बिकम्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट. तो अभी अगर आप अपने पेपर के ऊपर लेटर ए लिखें तो यू हैव रिकॉर्डेड द साउंड ऑफ ए in your mind, which will be reminded by the paper. So now this is a way to look at the book, that it is the storage of sound in book whenever you write something, and you can pronounce it in your mind through your mouth. और क्योंकि वो stored है आपकी memory के साथ, तो you make a bridge with the paper and your mind. तो अभी इस तरीके से यू कैन रिकॉर्ड थिंग्स, एनीथिंग जो आपके पास अगर रिकॉर्डर ना हो तो यू कैन राइट. इट वाज जस्ट अ डिफरेंट पर्सपेक्टिव टू सी द रिकॉर्डिंग. वी विल गो इन अ वेरी ग्रेटर डिटेल सब्सिक्वेंटली अगर आपको ऑब्जर्वेशन और रिकॉर्डिंग का आपस में कॉम्बिनेशन पता चले.
Yes, sir.
Any other question? If you are interested to learn some new topic, you can share in advance with me. We can plan it accordingly. But otherwise we will go systematically कि next topic क्या हुआ, किस तरीके से हमने. कल हम try करेंगे और कल का जो lecture में we understand कि how things are changed. Change को हम बनाएंगे क्योंकि life में हर चीज change होती है, हर subject में एक चीज change होती है. So we will try to learn what is change. चेंज को उर्दू में क्या कहते हैं? एनीबॉडी?
तब्दीली.
व्हाट एल्स?
Please
एनीथिंग एल्स?
तगय्युर.
एनीथिंग एल्स? इट इज, इंग्लिश में कहते हैं डिफरेंट, उर्दू में कहते हैं फर्क. तो जब आप कहते हैं कि चेंज आ गई है या आ रही है तो यू मस्ट नो कि किस चीज में फर्क आया. इज इट इन द बिहेवियर, इट इज इन द नॉलेज, इट इज इन द प्लेस, इट इज इन द परफॉर्मेंस. तो यू मस्ट नो कि जब आप कहते हैं कि चेंज हो गई है तो आपको पता होना चाहिए किस चीज में फर्क आया. ठीक है ना? इसके ऊपर वी विल डिस्कस टुमारो फर्दर.
Yes, sir.
ओके, अल्लाह हाफिज. और किसी का कोई क्वेश्चन हो काइंडली पूछ लें.
नवीद, बहुत शुक्रिया आपका, थैंक यू वेरी मच. और बच्चों की पार्टिसिपेशन भी बड़ी अच्छी थी माशाल्लाह, दे वर वेरी एक्टिवली इन्वॉल्व. और एक बच्चे ने बड़ा अच्छा सवाल किया कि कलाम इकबाल से इसको कैसे रिलेट करेंगे. तो दैट मीन्स कि एक बड़ी अच्छी अवेयरनेस है बच्चों में. एंड आई वुड लाइक टू आंसर हिम अ बिट. सिर्फ इतना कि बेटा, इलामा कहते हैं खुदी का सिर्रे नेहा ला इला. तो अब आप सिर्फ इस एक मिसरे पे गौर कीजिएगा तो आपको जवाब बहुत से मिल जाएंगे कि अगर हम खुदी को समझ गए तो हमें ये सब कुछ, ये पढ़ाई का मकसद, जिंदगी का मकसद समझ आ जाएगा. और सिर्रे नेहा राज को कहते हैं, वो कोड, वो आईडी जो आप कंप्यूटर में ढूंढ रहे होते हैं. तो आपको एक बड़ा जबरदस्त कोड दिया इलामा इकबाल ने, ला इला. तो बस अगर ये हम समझ गए ला इला तो हमें काज ऑफ क्रिएशन भी समझ आ जाएगी और तालीम और तरबियत का मकसद भी समझ आ जाएगा.
We wind up.
हाँ जी, प्लीज कंक्लूड कर लीजिए.
जी बिल्कुल. तो इंशाल्लाह we will continue from tomorrow onward. So if you have any questions, please do ask. Don't hesitate. Allah Hafiz.
Yes, sir. Have a good day.
गुड डे सर, अल्लाह हाफिज।
अल्लाह हाफिज सर।
अच्छा मैं इधर ही रहता हूँ, मैं इधर ही रहता हूँ।